Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys how you can bring main screen to life for brand new Android box that you just purchased. This way you're going to take advantage of it a lot more. It is going to look like a painting on your wall, but a live painting. So let me just walk you through and show you what you really need to get in order to make it beautiful. Alright, so follow along. We have made these type of videos before, but some of the stuff was not compatible. So here you go. First, you need to go to your Google Play Store. Now, in order to log in, if you have a Gmail account, when it says to create an account, just say login. And just log in with your Gmail email address. If you don't have one, just click new and just follow the prompts. And when it gets to the part that says credit card, if you want to enter your credit card, by all means, but I would suggest click on skip. This way, you're just going to use it for free stuff for your box. So once you are in it, you have to go on the top, and the first thing you need to download is Nova Launcher. Now there are different versions of this launcher. The one that I really like is this thing. So I already have it, and you can see that I am running the latest version, which I am not. So I'm just going to click on update. So if you already have it, just update it if it's not up to date, and this way it is going to work a lot better for you. Now that's not it. Once this is done, you have a little back button on the top. Go back here, click on it, and then delete this part, and then name it called Night Wallpaper HD. And the one that we are looking for is something like this. This one do cost. It has day and night, but the one I need is going to be free version. So this way you don't have to pay for it. So here you go. It's called Dream Night Free, and you have to install it. Now I've already installed it to make sure it's working, and once it's all done, just press home and you should get a pop-up that you need to select your launcher. Now I did try to play with few of them, but the one that sticks out is going to be Nova Launcher. So once you click on it, there is a little first introduction. You got to click next and skip in order to go here. You will see a bunch of little icons here that I got rid of, which I didn't need. And once you click on the app drawer, which is right here, all of your apps will show up. But the ones that you need, you can just bring it to the front, like Netflix. I'm just going to drag and drop it in the bottom. So just like your phone, you're going to have some little drawers in the bottom. So I'm just going to hold it. And there you go. Now I can move it. And same thing with all the other apps that you require for it to be in the front. So something like Aptoid, I want to bring that out too. And then going back, and there should be some other ones that you really want. You can bring it out. The one I'm going to use more is going to be the browser, which I already have, so I don't need it. Once in the main screen, you don't need it. Just click on it and say remove and not uninstall. This way it's going to be there. Now that's done. Now let's bring this to life. And I know that the video is going to be very short because of it, so let's do it right now. So hold for a few seconds with the OK button. You get these three menus. You can bring widgets too, so bring like clock and everything. I'm not going to do that, so let's bring a live wallpaper here. So I have set up two of them. The one that I set up first is called Koi, which is free. And before you even set your wallpaper, you can play with it. You can see that it will ripple effect. So it looks like you can play with the fishes that you have in there. That's not the one I want. The one I want is called Dream Night. So you'll set it up. For first time, it will give you this little roller that says it's loading. And once it's done, just click on Set Wallpaper, and now you're done. So now it is perfectly live. So now you can use your box a lot better, and I'm sure you're going to like this way more than before. So you can see that it has a lot of things here. You can see there are some winds going on, and you have the birds on the top, and you will see some of animals that will be running here. So sometimes you will see rabbit, and also you will see a lot of different type of animals that will go through. But you can see on the top, if I click on it, it will run on a different way. And there you go. You see that there's deers and everything on this. So we will click on it, so this way we can play with this. But just leave it alone, and I'm sure you're going to like this launcher with this background a lot more. And this way your TV is more life. And yes, if you have more than one screen, when you flip, you can see that it moves a little bit on the side, and that's why I put some little icons on a different screen, so you can see that you can move things around and it looks awesome. And yes, things do move. You will see some stars that will shine, and you will see the moon beautiful, and everything that looks awesome on this. And if you do want me to make another video with the daylight, please ask and we will go through to purchase the app itself to show you exactly how good this live wallpaper is with Nova Launcher on your Android boxes. You can run this on your tablets too, and forget about Apple, it's not gonna work. I am sorry guys, but this is beautiful for Android boxes. So I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.